How to review on booking.com. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to review on booking.com. So then to review on booking.com, first of all, make sure you have a stable internet connection and go ahead and launch your booking.com. In order to review on booking.com, first of all, make sure that you have already stayed in a place or a hotel where you've actually booked from a booking.com. So for that, you need to go to your profile page, which is right at the bottom, and over here it's going to take you to the profile page. Scroll down a bit and under it there is an option as reviews. I haven't stayed in any of the hotel that is booked from booking.com, so you'll not be able to see this option. But then if you've already stayed on a hotel that you've booked from booking.com, you'll be able to find an option as a review under the name of that particular hotel or resort. So tap on it and then it's going to take you, after that it's going to take you to the review page. You'll also be able to see a list of reviews. At the same time, you're also eligible to review. Now type in a review and click on the submit button. As soon as you've done that, the review will be submitted, and that is how you can review on booking.com. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.